Solana and Ethereum are both blockchain platforms that support smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, but they differ significantly in their design, scalability, consensus mechanisms, and use cases.
Here's a detailed comparison. 1. Consensus mechanism.
Ethereum currently uses proof-of-stake (POS) since the merge in 2022, with plans for further scalability improvements via sharding with Ethereum 2.0. Solana uses a unique hybrid model called proof-of-history (POH) combined with proof-of-stake (POS).
POH timestamps transactions to improve speed and efficiency. 2. Transaction speed and scalability. Ethereum 15-30 transactions per second (TPS) currently. Future upgrades, like rollups and sharding, aim for 100,000 plus TPS. Solana
claims 50,000 plus TPS. Real-world usage is often lower due to network congestion. Optimized for high throughput but has faced reliability issues under heavy load.
3. Transaction costs, gas fees. Ethereum
gas fees can be high, $1 to $50 plus during congestion.
Layer 2 solutions, Arbitrum, Optimism, reduce costs. Solana
extremely low fees, $0.00011 per transaction.
Designed for microtransactions and high-frequency trading.
4. Smart contracts and development.
Ethereum
uses Solidity, most widely adopted smart contract language. Large developer community and ecosystem, ERC20, ERC721 standards.
Solana uses Rust, faster, more efficient, and supports C. Growing developer adoption but smaller than Ethereum's. 5. Decentralization and security. Ethereum more decentralized, thousands of validators.
Strong security due to long-standing network effects.
Solana fewer validators, 1,500 plus versus Ethereum's 1M plus validators. Has faced downtime issues, network outages due to high throughput demands. 6. Use cases and ecosystem. Ethereum dominates DeFi, Uniswap, AVE, NFTs, OpenSea, and enterprise blockchain. More mature ecosystem with established projects. Solana focuses on high-speed, low-cost transactions, e.g., decentralized exchanges like Radium, NFT marketplaces like Magic Eden. Popular for gaming, payments, and scalable dApps. 7. Energy efficiency. Both are POS-based, making them far more energy efficient than Bitcoin. Solana's POH adds extra efficiency but requires high-performance hardware. 8. Adoption and market position. Ethereum, the number 2 cryptocurrency by market cap, after Bitcoin, widely adopted. Solana, a top 5 to 10 crypto, known for speed but still building trust after past outages. 8. Which one is better? Choose Ethereum if you prioritize security, decentralization, and a mature ecosystem. Choose Solana if you need fast, cheap transactions and are okay with some centralization trade-offs. Both blockchains are evolving, with Ethereum improving scalability and Solana working on stability. The best choice depends on your specific needs.